Timing, guys, it's 7:59. By the time I roll up there, it should be 8 o'clock. That perfect timing, guys. I'm so happy, guys. I'm the first one in my lane. And all those people that were waiting on the shoulder, like illegally, they got waved through. Say they were not allowed to sit at the booth like I am right now. And I'm the first one in my lane. Anyways, for my video, for today's adventure, I'm wearing my Descendants 3 Magic Band. So, oh, and my shirt, I'm wearing this this Onward shirt. It has the Guinevere van on it. Chilling down the middle of the road. The second one on this monorail, guys. Have it all to myself. So we're the first one off the monorail, but you can see there's a lot of people already ahead of us. Socially distanced ducks. I don't really think they'll have anything. Plus there's no, yeah, I don't see any merchandise. Looks like Mickey Mouse and Minnie. But for historical purposes, I'm gonna go inside anyways and show you what they have. Then I'm gonna use the restroom and then hopefully ride Splash Mountain. How you doing? Oh no, they think I'm feeding them. Hey, is it actually open? All right.
Always works on thoughts so cool with hippos. Hippos are some of the most dangerous animals here in the jungle. Last week they sank 6 boats, but don't worry, only 5 were mine.
So I stopped at Magic Kingdom to get some lunch. I was craving some Cosmic Rays, burgers and french fries. And here's my friend, Cosmic Ray.
But hey, I love being here in Cosmic Ray's beautiful Starlight Lounge. In fact, I wrote a little song about the menu.
This grilled chicken club sandwich. So there's a piece of chicken in there. I'll probably, oh, look at that bacon. Bonus. Lots of awesome Disney french fries.
Bringing you the sunny side of entertainment all the way from the planet Zork. Love on the red planet Mars, and after I've sung my first opening bars.
Oh cool, look at the bathroom thing. What is this? What is that? So yeah, kind of bummed that they didn't have any merchandise that I was looking for at Splash. They had really nothing. In the queue for Thunder Mountain, these walls getting more narrow. I'm not claustrophobic. Holy cow. Look at that, it's like shoulder width. Here comes my noble steed. God, I'm trapped. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed that I couldn't get my merchandise, because I really wanted those mugs. Oh, what the heck? I wanted a custom dress. Dang it. A dress would have looked really nice on me. Check out this stuff. This is pretty awesome. Dogs and cats. Who's out?
The Lord of the Dead wants to rule the Magic Kingdom.
Dude, she does not want to kiss you. Doo-doo-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. My disgraceful trip back to my car. Yo, we're going to be rammed. They're going to ram us. Ramming speed. Someday I want to stay at one of those bungalows. I love the artwork here. It's beautiful. As I promised, I'm at Disney Springs. I'm gonna try to get something. This is actually my first time back at Disney Springs since they went down for pandemic. So I'm actually pretty excited to be back here. Could you imagine if this bridge fell? That would suck. I feel like the Invisible Man wearing all this. Look at this Loungefly backpack with Forky on it. And then we got this shirt here. But this is a little different. You can't just come in through any entrance. It's probably a designated entrance and exit, so they don't get, you know, a free-flowing amount of people inside this building. Got these Mulan Funko Pops. You got a villager one, and you got a warrior one. That's really neat. I might get one. You guys saw this one, that giant Indiana Jones Funko, which is a lot bigger than your normal Funko. Oh, this is so awesome. Oh man, this is gonna be so awesome. I actually love Disney live-action remakes. I think they're really good. Mulan. Gonna try to find my car. It won't be easy, guys. I forgot where I parked. All right, guys, I am done at Disney Springs. It's just so hot right now. It's kind of funny. I actually parked at Grape, I think it was Grape. At that point, I was like, why are there employee signs here? But when I got to the security guard, he was like, what are you doing here, man? This is for employees only. There were signs everywhere. But anyways, I reparked, then I got me some merchandise. Now the big thing selling right now are those giant Indiana Jones Funko Pops, but I didn't really care for those, to be honest. But these are awesome. They are Mulan Funko Pops. One, she's wearing the villager outfit, and the other, she's wearing her warrior outfit. So I think these look pretty awesome. And again, I am a huge proponent of Disney live action movies. The only one I've been kind of disappointed in was the Beauty and the Beast. Like, overall it was a good movie, but I feel like the casting of one of the roles was a little weak in my opinion. So that's why I kind of knocked that movie. But it's still pretty good, being the weakest entry for live action movies in my opinion. But I'm gonna go back home. I'm just too hot. I need a shower.